sale, Korean newspaper leftover available in Pakistan. These newspapers are printed in Korean language and were imported to Pakistan for distribution, but due to low demand, there are some leftover copies available for sale. The newspapers are in good condition and can be useful for individuals who can read Korean or for language learning purposes. They cover a wide range of topics, including news, politics, sports, entertainment, and more. The price is negotiable depending on the quantity purchased. Interested buyers can contact the seller to discuss the details and arrange for the purchase and delivery of the newspapers. Don't miss this opportunity to get your hands on Korean newspapers in Pakistan. Contact the seller today to make a deal. Korean newspapers are being used for fruits packing in Pakistan and are available at reasonable prices. The newspapers are being repurposed for this purpose due to their durability and ability to protect fruits during transportation. The newspapers are carefully selected and inspected to ensure that they are clean and free from any harmful substances that may affect the quality of the fruits. They are also eco-friendly and provide an alternative to traditional plastic packaging. The use of Korean newspapers for fruits packing is gaining popularity in Pakistan due to their effectiveness and cost-effectiveness. They are available at reasonable prices and can be purchased in bulk. If you are looking for a sustainable and affordable way to pack your fruits for transportation, consider using Korean newspapers. Contact the seller today to inquire about the availability and prices of these newspapers and start packing your fruits in an eco-friendly way.